student. I am Praveen Kumar, your science subject teacher for class 10th. In this nutrition second part of video, we have described some point how do the organ obtain their food. The organ obtain their food, two type of mode of nutrition we have already told, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and their category, that is saprophytic, parasitic and holozoic mode of nutrition. On the other hand, holozoic nutrition, the organ usually have mouth and some special structure of for to make intake of food. In other words, these organs do not obtain their food by the simple structure. Instead of the special mechanisms are present for the active intake of the food material. Food obtaining for the food animals have a special structure. For example, like pseudopodia present in amoeba, and we have to take their food from their hand, and another animals take their food from their different structure, like bird take the structure, the beak, their beak, and we have to use our hand. Example, like amoeba have a pseudopodia, which is a temporary finger-like projection which help to amoeba to capturing the food particle, and after capturing the food it is packed in the form of the food vacuole and which is digest in it. Similarly, like paramecium, it is multicellular and which is also a single cell organ, and the entire body is covered with the cell. Paramecium has a fixed spot of for the food intake, and cilia near the spot set a water current, and which brings the food into the cell along with the some water, and the content are packed in the form of food vacuole, and which then digest. In some organ such like hydra, tentacles are present. In the higher organ, mouth is present, and the body appendages such as hand, finger, foot, arm help in capturing of the food and putting it into the mouth. Nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a holozoic organism, and it does not absorb its food but ingest its food, and being unicellular in the nature, the process of food capturing in amoeba is called phagocytosis. Term phagocytosis, that means cell feeding, and different stages of nutrition in amoeba included ingestion, that is phagocytosis, digestion and absorption, and assimilation and ingestion. It occurs with the help of a special structure called pseudopodia, which are protoplasmic extension, and when the amoeba approaches is a food particle, it send out the pseudopodia around the food particle granules, and the food particles become trapped in the form of the food vacuole. Digestion, and the food vacuole containing the food moves in the cytoplasm, and the various digestive enzymes enter in the vacuoles and digest the food. So the digestion in intracellular, that inside the cell. Absorption and assimilation, the digestion of the food from the vacuole diffuse out into the cytoplasm, and there is no complex structure like higher organ, and the food in the cytoplasm is now utilized for the respiratory needs, energy production, and also for the growth and wear and tears functions, egestion, and these is now fixed place in the amoeba, as there is no anus from the egestion of a food, and this undigested food is removed from the cell from any part by the small rupture in the cell membrane, and this process is called exocytosis. In this figure, there is the food particle. It forms the finger-like structure, that is pseudopodia, capture the food. There is formation of food vacuole, and the enzymes present in food vacuole digest the food and assimilate the power, and after that they ingest the waste material. Nutrition in plant, we have already told you that the plant is a autotrophic and they form their food by raw material and from sunlight. Similarly, to the organism like plant also require nutrient to obtain their energy and carry out the vital life processes. We know that the plant have a autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, that is, they can prepare their own food by using sunlight and inorganic compound like carbon dioxide and water. The process by which the green plant utilize the sunlight and prepare their food is known as photosynthesis, and the process of photosynthesis and the food production in a plant take place in the leaf. And so the leaf are the kitchen of the plant, and the leaves contain chlorophyll containing cells and also small pores, that is called stomata, for the supply of carbon dioxide gas. So the first cell look at the surface of a leaf, structure of leaf, the transverse section, vertical section, that is LS, and horizontal section, that is TS, transverse section. In cutting, transverse section of a typical leaf exhibit following structure, and the upper epidermis and uppermost single cell thick layer and the outer wall cuticulized stomata and chloroplast are usually present. Lower epidermis, this is like to the upper epidermis, but it contained many minute apertures, that pores called stomata, and these stomata help in exchange of gases between leaf and outer atmosphere.